This time we're supposed to find the equation of a line which passes through the origin and is perpendicular to the given line. You're supposed to realize that origin has coordinates 0, 0. Okay, so this is my point, and this is going to be my x1 and y1. In order to find the line which is perpendicular to this line, we're supposed to find first the slope of this line. Now we have to convert this form, okay, to the slope-intercept form. So means we have to find y from this equation. Now, because I have negative 3y, I'm going to move this term to right side, and 12 I'm going to move to left. Why? Because I'm going to convert negative 3y to positive 3y. So I have 4x minus 12 is equal 3y. In order to find y, you're supposed to divide both sides of the equation by 3. And you will have y equals 4x over 3 minus 12 over 3, which is equal 4/3 x minus 12 divided by 3 is equal 4. So I have minus 4. The coefficient of x is my slope. So this is my m1. We said we're supposed to find the line which is perpendicular to this line. So we're supposed to use this formula. And I'm going to write this down over here. m1 times m2 is equal negative 1. We have to find m2. In order to find m2, I'm supposed to divide both sides of this formula by m1. m1 and m1 will cancel out, and I have m2 equals negative 1 over m1. Now I'm supposed to plug in the value of m1 into my formula. So m2 equals negative 1 over, and I have 4 over 3. Division we have to change to multiplication, so I have negative 1 times 3 over 4, which is equal negative 3 over 4. My m2 is equal negative 3 over 4. I found slope of my second line. Next, we're supposed to find the equation of the line which will have this slope and will pass by origin. We're supposed to use again point slope form. So we have y minus y1 is equal mx minus x1. Next, we're supposed to substitute, let me write this over here, we have to substitute y1 and x1 by zeros in this case. So I have y minus y1, we said is 0, is equal, m is equal negative 3/4 times x minus 0. Y minus 0 is y equals negative 3/4 times x is negative 3/4 x. And this is the solution to my problem.